In this tutorial I will show you how to sync WhatsApp contacts on Android. If you're looking to sync your WhatsApp contacts with your Android device, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once inside the settings, you will see a variety of options. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This will open a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down the list and look for the WhatsApp app. Tap on it to open its settings. Once inside the WhatsApp settings, you will see several options. Tap on Permissions. Under the Not Allowed section, find and tap on the Contacts option. Change the setting to Allow, which will grant WhatsApp permission to access your contacts. Once you've done this, your contacts will automatically sync with WhatsApp, making sure you can easily chat with everyone in your phone's contact list. And that's it. You've successfully synced your WhatsApp contacts.